Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into your Liverpool Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Liverpool Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in liverpool.gov.uk and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Liverpool Council Tax account. Scroll down and enter your email address and password associated with your Liverpool Council Tax account and tap on Sign in to my council. In case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Me. In case if you don't remember your password, click on I have forgotten my password option. This is how you can log into your Liverpool Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.